How to change Snapchat name. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. From here, go over to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Now, you can edit and view your profile information. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the Settings icon. In the Settings page, go to Name under My Account section. Here, you can edit and change your name on Snapchat. This is how you appear on Snapchat, so make sure to pick a name that your friends know. Type in your preferred first and last name. Then tap on Save at the bottom to save the settings. Your new name on Snapchat has now been set. You can go back to your profile and check out your new name. This is the name your friends will know you by on Snapchat. Following these steps, you can easily change your Snapchat name.